Okay, I'm on a mission to get this wallpaper off the ceiling today. Look at all this. You know why this is taking so long? It's because you see that gray is paint. And then that is a layer of wallpaper, and under that, well, okay, no, that's not right. I think that's the bottom layer of wallpaper, but there's another layer of wallpaper above some of it in areas. I mean, it looks like I've done nothing. This is like 2 days of a couple hours of work, though. It's not like I'm doing it for forever. And then you see, like, that part I don't have to do, but I gotta do the rest over there and over here, and you see I have supplies, but it's not easy to use this stuff because the paint. Because of the paint on top of the wall. If it was just straight wallpaper, it would be easy. Like when I go in my room later, I'll have to show you my room. Looks good. So in my room, so this wallpaper is gonna be easy to come off. It's just wallpaper. It's already peeling. You see, like it's already peeling. You see, like it's already peeling. I did try to scratch it with the scouring tool. But, you know, this whole room is wallpaper. Up there is paint, but that's already peeling and chipping. You can see in that corner over there. Can't really see it. The lighting's not that great in my room because there's no ceiling light. But, yeah. Right here, I'm gonna patch it with some wallpaper. I don't think I'm gonna do that. I think I'm gonna just paint the whole ceiling another color and try to make it look solid over there. Like if I paint the whole ceiling one color, it shouldn't look like there's a spot right there. But anyway, so I'm all annoyed. If someone would like to come through with a sander or start working on the joint compound, that would be cool. That would be that would take up. Whew. I don't know. I might call somebody maybe. Anyways, all right, bye.